picture me all blacked out suburban picking up my children from soccer practice. Like, that is the energy, okay? That's the energy. Hello everyone, today I'm coming at you from my floor because one, I just finished work and the lighting in here is horrible except right in front of my window. And two, I forgot my tripod at school. So today I'm gonna be sitting down and sharing with you guys all the things I've been buying lately. I've actually decided to split this up into two hauls. So this is going to be my summer clothing haul, all the things that I've bought either before the end of school, right after school got out. And then I went on a huge shopping spree in DC and Leesburg. So if you wanna catch that vlog, it's the last video I just posted. I'm also doing an apartment decor haul and all the things that I bought for my apartment this year, which definitely isn't as much as my past two apartment hauls, but still a lot of stuff considering. And you would say, Meg, you don't need to buy anything more, but I always find a way, you know what I mean? If you guys like videos like this or college or lifestyle videos, definitely make sure to subscribe down below, and let's get into the haul because I can't wait. First things first, I went nuts at Aerie. That's point blank period. I wanted to buy everything and I didn't. I was good, but I did buy a lot. So first off, I was on the hunt for some jean shorts. All of my jean shorts, first of all, I've gotten rid of all of them. They all don't fit. I feel like I go up 10 sizes every summer. And I hate when they're tight. And I feel like when the shorts are tight around your legs, even if they're your size and they fit you around your waist, no, like just not, like it's not flattering. I got these shorts from Aerie, right? And you can tell they just came out of the laundry basket because they're dirty. They look like this. I actually got them a size up. I don't wear crop tops, so you were probably like, why do I care? Boom, elastic waistband. Amazing. I wore these all day when we explored Georgetown and they're just so comfortable and they just sit really nice on my thighs. They're not tight. They're not uncomfortable. I will say the other colors, the other shades of jean, I guess you could say, I didn't love those. I would have to take a look on the website to see what other options there are because we did go to an Aerie store 3 times when I was up in Northern Virginia. Definitely recommend these if you need some more white shorts because white is just like clearly summer color. We'll get to this bodysuit in a sec. Then, okay, you all know I wear my tennis skirt all the time at school. It's from Marshall's and you could not catch me spending, I don't even know how much on the Lululemon ones. No ma'am. So I picked up 2 tennis skirts from Aerie. These were definitely on the more expensive side considering I paid 20 bucks for my last one. These, I think, they were on sale. I think I got them for like $38, $37.50, one of those weird numbers, you know, but basically 38 bucks. I got a green one. I also got it in white. So now I have a green one, a white one, and a black one. These are the offline skirts. For like sizing, I would say I like to err on the side of large rather than medium. Even if the medium fits me, I like things to be very loose. So these just like sit very nicely on me. They don't dig in at all. They're really comfy. So if you guys are looking for a tennis skirt, definitely check these out. They're so flattering and I was willing to spend a little bit more on them because I knew how much I wore my other. We also went to Tyson's and we went to Zara for the first time. I actually got a pair of jean shorts there as well, but I ended up returning them the next day because Zara's fitting rooms are still freaking closed. Riddle me that. Your girl's double backs. Like, whatever. We don't need to get into that. I got this white bodysuit. It's a one shoulder flouncy ruffle fabulous bodysuit from Zara and I love it. This was 26 bucks. I don't have a white bodysuit so I think it's a great kind of staple, but it's just a lot. I think it looks great with the middle part. Even I'm not even really wearing a ton of jewelry, but with some like big gold hoops for like a white on white moment. You could pair it with a white jean. You could do a fun colored pant or like a black skirt. I don't know. Options are endless. Like, this is so freaking cute. I love it and it's exactly what I was looking for. Then this was a huge find in the Free People at Tyson's. Chloe actually found these. I've been eyeing these. Every girl in the house has them as well. They're the Free People, the Way Home shorts. If you're on TikTok, I'm sure you've seen these. Chloe tried them on and then I tried them on, and because my torso is so short, these were super flattering just because they're so high-waisted and they kind of just like suck me in at the right point. I also got these in a size large just because I wanted them to be a little bit looser, especially around my legs. These are 30 bucks, which honestly for a pair of shorts, not bad. I remember I bought Nort's, my Nike shorts, for like 20-ish. I think they're originally 30, so that's around the price point I'm willing to go. I only have one pair of Lululemon shorts and I don't really plan on getting any more, so these are definitely more my speed. I love this color. And then I saw this magenta color somewhere, maybe it was on TikTok or something, so I googled it and I found these shorts, which are the same shorts, just different color. They are from, I got them from some random boutique and I got 10% off and free shipping, so it was honestly cheaper than going to Free People. They don't sell these in store, actually. I think that was like a one-off thing. The lady told me they don't usually sell Free People movement, which is what this is, but I don't know. I will link these ones down below for you guys because they had colors on their site that Free People didn't have anymore, so definitely check these out and get yourself the 10% code. I've been going nuts for sunglasses lately. Like, honestly, I'm done buying them for like at least a year. It's disgusting how many sunglasses I've accumulated. My little glass jar up there has sunglasses in them. I have 5 pairs right in front of me and then I have more in my car. Like, I just, stop me. Okay, these ones I actually bought quite a while ago, but I thought I'd share. They are from Walmart of all places. These are what I like to call my meatball glasses. Sam, Liv, and I actually, wait, we got these in Virginia Beach. God, that was forever ago. That was earlier this semester, but they're just so fun. They're like mirrored, perfect darty glasses, and they're just kind of so in your face. So extra. I love it. And then in Forever 21, I picked up 2 pairs of sunglasses as well as these little gold, ooh, you can see myself down. These gold bracelets just kind of really elevate my look and make me look like, I don't know, I feel like it makes me look more put together. These 2 pairs of sunglasses, if I could put them the right way. These ones are a little bit more glam. They're tortoiseshell. I feel like they would go really well with this outfit. They can kind of go well with anything. Very like poolside chic sunglasses. These were $7, and so were these, which are honestly just key. I would say these are more like high key mini knockoffs. They're very flat across your face, so I feel like they feel very much like the high key minis. Liv has those, and that's why I'm comparing them to those, but they're like a flat aviator instead of the curved one. I will say they're definitely obviously not as high of quality, but I'll feel safe wearing those to the beach or something like that. Then I really splurged and I got 2 pairs of Key sunglasses. I've actually owned 2 pairs before this. One fell off at a party and someone stepped on them. That was tragic, but that was after when we went out for 12 hours first year. Well, when we won the Final Four. Yeah, that was a really good day. Key was running a sale for 2 for $40. 2 for $40. That is unheard of. I've never even seen that before. I know they do buy one get one free, buy one get one 50% off a lot, but 2 for $40 was too much for me to pass up. So I got 2 pairs, obviously, and these are the Sweet Dream ones. These are the ones that I had before, actually, that I lost in the house. I just love how these look a lot like those Ray-Ban sunglasses, but you can put them in your hair and it doesn't tug at your hair. It drives me nuts. I hate it. That's why I hate wearing aviators, even though I wear them all the time. I love the look of them, obviously. I just hate how it drags at your hair, and these are very fabulous. I feel like these are honestly like kind of replicas of these. And these I probably wouldn't have spent $80 on, but since it was 2 for $40, I was like, I just have to. Are you joking? Like, these are so fun. They're just loud, they're in your face, they are meatball energy, they're just like, don't talk to me. Picture me, tinted windows, I'm in a Range Rover, I'm in an Audi, all blacked out suburban, picking up my children from soccer practice. Like, that is the energy, okay? That's the energy. Then, this is really random, but I just wanted to share, and I shared this in a vlog. I got these boots for 11 bucks on Poshmark. They ended up actually being like 18 with shipping and tax and all of that, but are you joking? First of all, they're so cute. Second of all, if you know, you know. I wear these boots out all the time, and that's why the sole on my old ones actually like is coming apart from the actual shoe part. I don't know. They're falling apart because I've worn them like every single night out of college for the past 2 years. Those boots are originally from Target. They're the Universal Threads combat boot maybe. I'll try and find them on Poshmark. I'll link them down below. They don't sell them anymore, but I originally paid like 50 or 60 bucks in Target for them, and I got them for under 20, so doesn't get better than that. Moving on to Old Navy. I really got turned on to Old Navy again this year. I used to shop there all the time. I think with Old Navy, you just have to be really strategic about what you buy and how much you pay for it, because the quality has definitely gotten better. You don't want to be overpaying. Like, there's like these like long line sports bras there, super cute. I love them. And every time I go to buy them, I'm like, wait, I'm not gonna pay $30 for something I could get for way cheaper. Like, no, right? You just have to be mindful about that. I try to be as well. but I absolutely love their shorts there. These are, I think they're called the Dolphin Hem shorts. I got a pair of camo shorts. I already have a pair of black and like a white, off-white cream zebra pattern, which is really cute, but I just loved the camo. The only thing I don't like about these shorts is the tie, so I always tie it and then tuck it in. Just don't like the look of that, but I get these a size up as well. I get them in a size large. They're very loose, even on my waist too. I also got this top, which I wore in my DC vlog. If you guys watched that, I just love it. It's so cute. I love the, like, clearly I'm into camo, but I just think it's really complements me well, and I wore it with my white skirt. Super cute. This was 12 bucks, so can't say no, and the shorts were 15, so great deals all around. Then, not to harp on that vlog, you guys, but if you watched that DC vlog, you just know I went nuts in H&M. Chloe and I also just spent our life savings at H&M, but it's okay. There's no rules in Georgetown. Chloe and I tried on just about everything in the store, and I only walked out with 4 things. Only, you know. First thing that I got that I saw right when I walked in is this little cropped floral top. You can actually untie the bottom to adjust it to your level of crop liking. I'm not a huge crop top gal, never have been, probably never will be, but I just like the V-cut. It's very flattering on my chest. It has a little ruche thing in the back, so it's like stretchy. It's not super constricting. I don't know. Then I got 2 of theme shirts actually because I love them so much. This is what the black one looks like. This is the white one. They're both these linen square neck tie tops. They were both $18 a piece. They're just so cute. Like I love them. I think they're super flattering, and I wore them once again in the DC vlog. I wore the black one with this white skirt that I have on. Really, I don't stray. The blacks and the whites, as evidenced by my white wearing right now, and the white dress that I have next. Whoa! This definitely needs a good steam. I left my steamer at school, but it is this fabulous square neck, puffy sleeve dress. It's not honestly the most flattering thing, but it's just so fun. It's so free-flowing, and I wore it out to dinner with my Vejas. You could also totally wear it with like sandals maybe for summer, but just with like some tortoise shell sunglasses and gold hoops. Like I just feel like this is such a great summer fit. You can definitely catch me wearing that to a winery next year and just like living my truth. You know, that's gonna be me. Then for more random things that I've just kind of collected that I wanted to share. Okay, first of all, this tank top I have seen in every boutique across America. It's this like little cowl neck silk top. I believe it was $30. It's from the brand Glam, and I got it in Charlottesville from Finch. It's a cute little boutique on the corner. I think this blue color is so flattering with like my hair, my skin tone. It's just like very me. But I've also saw it whenever we were in Richmond, and I've seen these tops everywhere. I just love like a silk scoop neck top. I think it's like subtly sexy. It's not like in your face, but it's like a little collarbone, a little mystery, you know? Then I got 2 tops from Target. These are both, I bought them on 2 different occasions, and they're not very fun, but I wear them all the time. You've watched really any of my vlogs, you probably know that I just wear a lot of plain tops. So I got these 2 tops. There's this pink one, and then there's this gray one. They're both from Wild Fable, and I want to say they were $7 a piece. They're not the best quality. They're definitely like unraveling up top, but that's kind of like the look, you know? I just like how they're cropped and just really plain. They go with everything. And then last but not least, this is from Nordstrom Rack, also kind of a while back, but I wanted to share. Same energy as those. I just got this white top. I don't even know what the brand is. It has this, and then in the back it's just like this little keyhole opening, which honestly you could definitely, wait, why don't I wear it that way? Wait guys, I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna wear it backwards. Anyways, they were originally really long. I got them in a large just to be a little bit looser. Do you guys sense a theme here? I like my clothes loose. And then I cut it probably like 4 or 5 inches off, but now that I'm looking back, I'm like, why don't I wear it that way? It's from the brand Apana. I'm gonna try and link it down below. I've never heard of that brand, but I have it in this cute little pink color. I'd wear it with leggings all the time at school, and then I also have it in a white, and it's just kind of like this like more distressed material. I think they were like $10 a piece. Just very cheap basics. Kind of my vibe. I really hope that you guys watch till the end, because as much as I loved filming that haul and as much as I loved buying all those clothes, I have no more money, so earn me back some money with my AdSense. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, definitely subscribe down below. Let me know any video requests you want to see in a comment, because I am trying to brainstorm a bunch of cool videos for summer. I obviously want to make videos that y'all want to see, so any kind of like college advice, UVA, organization videos, let me know. Or anything else, just let me know. I got you. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.